Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. So in today's video we are going to be doing a small little quick haul along with some swatches from this company, K&S. Yes, I am an ambassador for this company and I did purchase these items with my own money. I will leave my description. Oh my gosh, you guys can tell I have not did a voiceover in so long, but I will leave the link in the description box down below if you are interested in anything in this video that you know, if you're, oh my god, I cannot get my words right. I will leave the website in the description box down below along with my discount code if you are interested in purchasing anything in this video. I hope you guys do enjoy everything that you see. These are some beautiful acrylics. I love the nail tips and I'm just babbling on right now, so I'm not going to keep you up, but so I will leave everything in the description box, like I said, down below. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Until then.